Hello everyone, so today is 1st of July and let's discuss what happened on 30th of June and what we discussed on 29th of June and what's next. Okay, so 29th of June I clearly mentioned here this video. I clearly explained everything what the big guys are doing, and I also told that I am expecting some further up move before we retrace. Why I told, because at 19,000 what happens is that many retail traders they get bearish because they think that और कितना ऊपर जाएगा, 19,000 is enough, बहुत हो गया, so let's short the market. So that's when the market further rises up to hit these bears and to get these bears out of the market. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting, and I also told that I'll wait for the retracement as it's very risky to go long at this point. So that's the overall view. And now today, if we go into yes, one more thing to note down is that the RSI is the strength of RSI is increasing, so we should be a little bit careful. Talking about the intraday thing, but yes, again there is something also important to note is that the main problem that we saw yesterday, overall market is not participating. You see these buyings are going in these heavy stocks, heavyweight stocks, and declines are decreasing and declines are increasing and advances are declining. So overall market buying is not going on only in these heavy stocks, okay, heavyweight stocks. So now let's come to the 5 minutes chart. So here in the 5 minutes chart, even if you look at the very last stage, again cash buying has been done, and okay, so cash buying has been done, and also yes, so yeah, let's come to the Bank Nifty's chart. So here, okay, so now let's go to our indicators. So talking about our indicators, so yeah, morning it was showing strength, but in the afternoon the score was flat, okay, but market rallied up. So there a divergence has been created here, so let's see what happens the next day. So I think the divergence will be filled up. So we have seen in the past also how it works, and again Bank Nifty score was again flat at the end stage, and Bank Nifty was also flat, so there was no question about that. But yes, let's now come to Nifty. So Nifty, so yes, our Telegram channel. So again I said I'll be looking for bearish moves, so I won't be going long, and yes, but I clearly said that today bears be very careful because huge put trading was being done, and yeah. Now the main signal was a 1336 where Nifty gave a signal of rejection at the upper levels, and also Bank Nifty also 1338 gave a signal for a fall. So these signals are coming, they are working, but very temporarily, okay. So that's the problem I am having for a few days. So yes, 1336, yeah, right. So the time was 1336. And yeah, so this is 1340. So you can, yeah, so this candle, okay, or maybe this candle you can take 1336. So whatever it is, like at this point I got the signal, okay. And for Bank Nifty also 1338, if you look at here, so so this is the candle 1340 1335 to 1340, okay. So this is where I got the signal, okay, and then it just went up, but it was getting rejection, okay, selling, someone was selling, and then this fall came, but it did not continue, okay. So this is the problem I'm having with the signals recently, the bearish signals, because the bears are just not the chances not basically given to the no chances being given to the bears right now, okay, though someone is trying to sell. So yes, again here also the Nifty started, there was some selling, but the fall did not continue, okay. So it's not like what happens is that when you you try to understand this very thing, that is these signals which are being generated, I have shown you in the past also, yes, the move is not continuing. I do agree to that, but it's not like I get a signal and after that market starts rallying and giving up one after the other, a green candle or something, or I gave the signal and market reversed sharply. Okay, so that's not happening. The signals are perfectly coming. Okay, but the move is not perfectly coming. That's the problem. So what I'm doing currently is like today I went at Bank Nifty. I got the signal at this point. I bought for 44,400 PE. Price went up a little bit above 10 points, and then what I did was I started trailing my stop loss, because I know that if again market reverses, I'll be at a loss. And so I kept a stop loss at like I booked SL at I trailed my profit at 6 points, and I was getting 11 points, so I kept it at 6 points. And then market again here reversed, and that 6 points SL was hit, and so finally I got 6 points premium. Okay, but yes, I'm not getting a move, but I'm also not making a loss. So these small moves, whatever, I'll be able to capture, and that will give me some profits for these days. But yes, when the fall comes, then it will sharply like fall, and yeah, we will be able to capture it, because the major point is that I am able to capture the selling points. Okay, now the day when actual selling will happen, so that day just from the top I'll be selling. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. And yes, so that's the overall thing. And yes, now talking about today also, yeah, at the end there was some buying, as you can see, some volume in the cash segment. And yes, now talking about our end of the day data. So if you go to the end of the day data, if you see that, yeah, heavy put writing has been done, no doubt. And then the next thing is that even at 18,200 also put writers are there, so we need to be careful. So yes, put writing has been done. Also some call writing has been done, but these call writers are not very strong. Like you see that PropDex, whatever they have done call writing, they have bought much more calls than that. Okay, so call writings are not something you could have faith upon. Okay, put writings are definitely, okay, huge amount of put writing. And the next thing is that yes, so overall, talking about PropDex, they have done huge amount of put writing and they have done call buying overall. Okay, so overall, like if you look at call writing and call buying, so overall call buying, you can say. FIIs are also like they have heavily bought calls to support or hedge their these call writing positions. So even if market again rallies up and up, so they won't be at a loss with these call writing positions. And talking about the other data, that is futures data, again futures long positions have been built up and future short positions almost the same for FIIs. But PropDex, again, they have initiated some fresh short positions and they have also done some long positions in the futures. So overall futures is bullish and for FIIs and bearish for PropDex. But yes, PropDex are heavily bullish in, and also the FIIs are heavily bullish in the option chain. Okay, but these heavily bullish won't continue very long. Okay, so let's wait for 1 or 2 days, and during that stage I hope some selling will start and the bears will be back. So I'll be waiting for that opportunity. Okay, because if something is just going straight up and up, so it's not a good thing to participate in that. Okay, suddenly market reverses and you see that you just participated at the top and you think of yourself as how foolish I was to just buy at the top. So that's why this happened with me earlier a lot of times. So that's why I avoid these things. So I'll wait for my signal, I'll wait for the selling. Yeah, I'm happy with these small profits which I'm getting, the small signals which I'm getting for the selling purpose. And yeah, so that's the overall view, and I think I've discussed everything. So if you have any questions, so you can still ask in the comment section. And yeah, so thanks for the patience, and thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.